In this video, I will show you how to play music in Discord. Before we get started with the video, please don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources to share with our viewers. So to get started, go ahead and click on that top left corner of your screen. Now in here, click on the U button at the bottom right. Now click on settings on your profile, and then in here go ahead and click on connections. Now simply connect your Spotify to your Discord. So in here you need to go ahead and continue signing into your Spotify account, and then once you have signed in, you need to go ahead and authorize the connection between your Spotify and your Discord account. So click on that agree button. And then once you have authorized that and head back to Discord, you'll be able to find your Spotify account connected to your Discord account. So once connected, your friends can see what you're listening to. And with Spotify Premium, you can even host listening parties. And that is how you can basically play music in Discord. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources to share with our viewers.